Guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're out here, Virginia, No Prep Kings. It's Friday. John got out here. He saved us a spot, so we got a pretty good spot. We've been here like 2 minutes, and the car is unloaded, and I'm sweating like a pig. Milton, is it hot or no?
Yeah, hot.
Look, he ain't sweating that bad. I'm already sweating. Dude, it is freaking blazing hot out here. But we are out here. We're at Virginia. We got a little bit to do today. We got a lot happening, and hopefully the car is going to run good. We'll see. It's going to be one of those things. I don't know. I've got some new stuff I'm trying. I'll share with y'all. I did purchase the Holley traction control, and I've never used it. Drive shaft sensor's hooked up. Right now, since I don't have a drive shaft really pass, I don't know exactly what the curve is going to do. I'm going to do it based on RPM. Put a pass in it that should go pretty fast, and if it makes it down, we should have some good drive shaft data. But this Friday and Saturday, No Prep Kings in Virginia is going to be a blast. I am having a ball. We just got some of these in, and we got some newer ones that's got all of our logos on it with our sponsors. So that's a good thing. If y'all can want to go to our store and see those things are pretty cool. This one's a little smaller, but nice little vinyl hold on, like QA1 and the Hughes here. Very similar. But here we go, guys. We're No Prep Kings Friday night. We're going to see how this goes. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If y'all are close by, hopefully I can see y'all. Stop by and talk to us. Later.
And head on over to turbojohnracing.com, pre-order a first round duck shirt, and get a special buy on the TJ logo shirts. They were $5 off on clearance. If you get a pre-order of the first round duck, you get an additional $5 off. Type in TJ deal.
Bruh, your car looked fast.
Look fast?
On the street. That hit you posted.
Yeah.
That looked good.
I was the only fast I made so far, so.
It looked fast. What did the dragon say?
I didn't have the grade.
Oh, come on now.
Serious.
Pete.
I swear to God.
Really?
I swear to God. Yeah.
That thing looked like it went like a 120 flat, 118
that'd
since
be
you
nice,
put out here.
but
You think so?
I don't.
Come on.
Maybe like a 145, 144.
You lost your mind. Petey just started a YouTube channel too.
Yeah,
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
PD Small Block.
Petey Small Block.
Yeah.
Been watching him a long time. Big fan.
Thank you. I watch you too.
Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
It's gonna be off the trailer. So it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be fun. The patron. Thank you, patron. It's a great story. Come on in. I'm not even adult. You guys are cheating. I'm not even adult. Make it seem like it's government cheese or something. Let's go, man.
That ain't never good.
This is the biggest small tire class in NPK so far this year.
How many small tires is it?
17. John Quack. For John Quack. No, John Viola.
How you spell your last name?
Viola. V162 is the car number.
Car number?
Turbo John 66X.
Number 9.
My pit mate.
Yeah, man. It's all right.
God, it never fails. All right, we drive a long ways and we got to race each other.
Come down and have fun.
That's right. It's gonna be fun. Well, good luck, sir.
I'll let you put the tune in it for you.
Cars up there running. So small tire, we just got pushed up here. We got the drive shaft sensor working. Milton is struggling with our beat up hood latch.
I don't recall this one even having
Oh, I know what happened to that one up there. I took it from up there and stuck it down there.
we might have to reuse.
Yeah, everything moves. You gotta you have to physically move the whole front end over to the side so that it will grab. Hey, Milton just started a YouTube channel too. He's going to be posting some videos when he's at the racetrack as well. He's always at the racetrack. He comes with me quite a bit, but when he ain't with me, when I can't go, he's always down there. What's the name of your YouTube channel, Milton?
It's just Milton Hunter.
Milton Hunter.
First and last name.
So y'all go subscribe to his channel too. So he's getting some. He went to Sweet 16 this past year, and he's always on the road traveling. So we got to race our buddy John. So we just looked at his launch retard. So this is the first time he's done no prep. Now it's still a 5-speed car. Y'all remember it. He has a YouTube channel as well, VXM Racing. So y'all follow him if you're not. Y'all seen this one on our channel. Beautiful car. Hate that we got to race John first round. But it's is that a Linko or Liberty?
It's a Liberty.
Liberty. I don't know.
Liberty 5-speed.
I don't know the difference. God, that thing is awesome. Look at the big wheel.
The Linko has the.
You want a 12.5, right?
The Linko has the different sections, and you pull lever. Each lever is separate.
Oh,
This
I
one
got
you just push back and forth, back and forth.
G-force almost kind of looks like that.
Oh, I got you. That thing is beautiful though. I like it.
We made a whole bunch of changes.
Right.
Turbo John just threw the tune-up in it. So if it don't go,
That's all I did was look at it. John, they just put a launch. Y'all haven't been running launch retard though, have you? I mean, it's going to pull 6 degrees out of it and see if it'll
see what that does.
see if it does it. Now I just did a trans brake test on mine. We didn't get it recorded. It made 7.5 pounds of boost on the trans brake. But we're going to be pulling.
We'll see if this holds it, because you've been up there yet?
I have not. We're going to go up there and look at it real fast. Try
looks
to.
real slick.
Does it?
But you never know.
I'm pulling 12 degrees of timing out of mine too, which that's a lot. So we got a bunch of cars, 17 cars. Here we go. Let's go look at the track real fast. There goes your digger or die winner, Michael. His crew. All right, guys. So it's very, very thin rubber, and there's a lot of bald spots. I mean, it's no prep. You can see them when you look back this way. That's what it looks like when you go this way. It's just the sun and the sheen kind of makes it where you can't see it. So we're going to move over a little bit to the left. That first small tire pair went down just a second ago. I missed it, but they went to the right of the groove. I mean, it hooked and went. So I mean, it was going. I'm gonna go to the left. All right, sir, that was a great race.
Awesome race.
Yes, that was fantastic. Good run. I mean, you being a 5-speed car, I mean, that's impressive. Good pass.
That was the first pass on a small tire, because I was telling, I'm gun shy. I'm like gun shy. At a no prep, forget it. I'm on a regular sticky track.
Right.
Like I'm gun shy. I'm waiting for it to bah, and then
right
once or twice or something. That thing just whoop, and I'm like, oh yeah, bang, bang, bang.
We gotta get him
And I'm thinking, as long
That's
as I'm
awesome,
keeping
dude.
up with John, I know I got a good pass going.
Good race, sir. Well, now you got something to build off of. Pull the data log and turn it up for tomorrow.
Yep.
Cool deal. Cool.
All right, brother. See you later.
Yes, sir. We'll see you, man. Boom, y'all. Did it? here we go. We're going back up for round number 2. We got the win. And we are, man, we're turning it around. And this is like 30-minute, 25-minute turnaround time. Like legit, I got in there, grabbed the data log, and yeah. So at the top of the run, I'm stupid. The good thing about EFI is it does what you tell it. The bad thing about EFI is it does what you tell it. It does it. It doesn't matter. It's going to do it. And so the RPM graph I had in there based on RPM at the about 4.9, 5.0 seconds, it decided, well, I made it decide, I did it. It actually pulled timing. It pulled like 20 degrees of timing, 15 degrees of timing, and that's what you heard. That's all the puff of smoke. So yeah, so that was just error on my fault. So my drive shaft sensor, I was waiting on my shielded cable to come. It was supposed to come yesterday, but it did not. And so I ended up, I got 3 wires, and I tried to, I twisted them all together, tried to make it so that we could have some drive shaft sensor. And we got drive shaft sensor, but it's a little too erratic. So it's picking up some noise. And so I'm not going to be able to use the drive shaft for any type of traction control. So what I'm going to try to do is, it shook the tire, so we're going to put a little bit more air pressure in the tires. So we're going to, we got to modify the tune some, and then we'll go from there. So this is all your round 2. We should be down to 9 cars, I think.
Oh yeah, another buy, right? 9 of us left.
Yeah, there's 9 cars. So there's 4 pairs of 1 buy. It's pink.
Let's just wait till the last one.
Bring it up a little bit.
Last one. Oh no, it's not the last one, is it? So you were waiting. I thought I was going to get the last one. Oh my God.
Well then.
We're one left.
Oh shit.
Hey, grab the back. Number 1. Put your back.
Damn it. No, it ain't the finals this time. All right, I gotta go work on my stuff. All right, boys, as luck would have it, we drew our buddy David first round. So we're gonna try to get back on the Patriot. He took me out in the finals last time. He told me he's got his old Dusty Road A to B tune-up in it. I've got mine hot, so we might knock the tire off. But we were the first pair. We were riding down the return road over here, we were riding down into the pits. I was hanging off the side and actually putting the tune in it. I mean, it is what it is. We didn't have much time. They're turning us around fast. All my crew guys out here can't do it without them today. We definitely wouldn't be able to turn it around.
Break something.